Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this Range Rover Evoque. This is the HSE Dynamic LUX Coupe. So it's the 2 litre TD4, 177 brake horsepower, automatic 9-speed. Car was first registered 1st of March 2016. It's just had the one former keeper from new. It's finished in Scotia Grey metallic with the optional contrasting Santorini roof spoiler and wing mirror caps. This car is in stunning condition inside and out and features a massive list of factory options with over 20 items, exterior and interior styling, as well as comfort features. Mileage 76,500, benefiting from a comprehensive service history comprising 4 visits, last of which was done 16th of June 2022 at 75,800 miles. Service schedule is every 2 years or 21,000 miles. MOT is valid through until the 6th of May 2023. Excellent set of premium brand Pirelli P0 tyres on the optional 20-inch alloy wheels. The front tyres are on 4.4 and 4.6 millimetres of tread, and the rear tyres are on 5.4 and 5.7 mil. It's a Euro 6 diesel engine, manufacturer's claimed average of 57 to the gallon, and annual road tax is £135 a year. As with the exterior of this Range Rover Evoque, likewise the interior is in very good condition for its age and mileage. It features the 2-tone leather interior. Both front seats are electrically operated and also feature the optional memory function. Wing mirrors are heated, electric and folding. We have a power tailgate, automatic LED headlights which are adaptive with automatic high beam facility, auto windscreen wipers, obviously full climate control air conditioning. This model does feature the optional large panoramic roof with the electric blind. Has the dual view TV, so the driver can be looking at the satellite navigation and the passenger can be watching the digital TV broadcasts or optional DVD playing. Head-up display is also standard. Please do take a minute to read through the specification because the list of options is quite impressive. This Evoque is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. Both remote control keys are present, as is the full book pack, full set of tailored luxury carpet mats, inflator with gel and locking wheel bolt. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find the part exchange form, customer testimonials, interactive finance calculator with the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes, as well as reservation facility. Thank you for watching this video.